Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. What do you do?
I am a student.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 5th.
In which school do you study?
I study in Karmadi Public High Secondary School, Dewas.
How do you come to school?
I come to school by bicycle.
With whom do you come to school?
I come to school with my parents.
At what time do you come to school?
I come to school at 8 o'clock.
Who is your class teacher?
Mrs. Ritu Vyas ma'am is our class teacher.
Who teaches you mathematics?
Mrs. Akansha ma'am teaches us mathematics.
Who teaches us English?
Mrs. Shashi ma'am teaches us English.
How is his study going on?
My study is going on very well.
Where is his school situated?
My school is situated at Nehru Nagar in Dewas.
Please tell me about your school.
My school name is Karmadi Public High Secondary School, Dewas, MP. It is very old and famous school. Mr. Mehboob Sheikh Sir is our director of our school, and Mrs. Mumtaz Sheikh ma'am is our principal of our school. There are 44 teachers of our school. In my school there is a computer lab in my school, there is science lab in my school, there is AI lab in my school, there is spoken class in my school, there is music class in my school, there is one playground in my school, there are 2 buses in my school.
What do you want to become?
I wanted to become software engineer.
Why do you want to become software engineer?
I wanted to become software engineer because I like using computer and learning.
Nice to meet.
Nice to meet you too.